Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use HPreveal. As you see, it is the former application of Aurasma. You can download it from the Apple Store. It's easy. You can go just and look for HPreveal. And the first one, the second one, and you can download it here. Of course I have it, so I just go open, and that's the technology that I'm going to create for us, AR technology in classroom. As a teacher, I like to give some math questions to my students, like this question, for example, 4 times 8, which I created before. You have to create, using this technology, 2 cards. One is the image trigger, which is, for example, the question, and the second card is the overlay card, which is the answer. You can do the answer in 2 ways. One is an image, and the second one is also a video if you want. So there's lots of opportunities here to do stuff. Let's imagine, and just let me show you what I did with 4 times 8. So if I close that, I go here to scan. This technology based on scan the trigger image. So I created this card, which have a question 4 times 8. Sometimes when you have the trigger, you just need to scan it. So you go from, let's show you where to scan it. So you see the sign. If you press on it, it shows you the scan. So we scan it.
4 times 8 is 4 groups of 8. Count them, 32. 4 times 8 is 4 groups of 8. Count
them, I remove the card, it's finished. Okay, now I will show you how I made this cards and questions. Let's start with another question. So you open your application, and you press on this plus sign at the corner, above corner here, and it gives you an image to take a photo of the trigger question. So here you go. I did this question. It is 9 divided by 3. And I can see here that the green sign makes up, the ball is in the green. That means my question is great and good to go. Took a photo, and it gives you directly the choice of an overlay. Obviously there is in the library so many of them, but we are going to do an answer for that. So we're going to go to the device and upload, and go to the camera right now, and I'm going to upload this, and I'm going to make it as a video. So I'm going to say 9 divided by 3. It is 3 groups of 3. 9 divided by 3 is equal 3. That's it. I will use the group or the image. It's gonna ask me to name it, and I'll name it 9 divided by 3. And go ahead and press done. It's gonna take a couple of minutes because A, it's a video, and B, it is, it depends on your internet connection as well. So I'll come back once it's downloaded. It's gonna take a couple of minutes, that's it. Okay, here you go. It's already downloaded. It prompts me to the name, so I can name it again. I'm gonna name my overlay again, 9 divided by 3, and I will submit. And now your aura looks great. Show it with your friends. So if you share it, it goes directly to your library. So I'm gonna share it with myself just to make sure that it is okay. So I share it with myself. Is now available in your device. See, it gives me a window here, so I can share it anyway with myself. Send. Done. Now I will see if this worked or not. Give it a couple of minutes that everything is okay. Now let's check it out. Here we go. This is my question. I'm gonna scan my question. 9
divided by 3, it is a 3 groups of 3. 9 divided by 3 is equal 3.
So let's try. This is my question, and I wanna scan it.
9 divided by 3, it is a 3 groups of 3. 9
I
divided
remove
by
it away from my picture, trigger picture, and that's an AR technology in the classroom. I can use it.
It is a 3 groups of.
So basically, if I have so many questions and I give this, download this AR or technology of HPreveal to every device I have in my classroom, my students can challenge themselves by questioning and check with each other.
It is a 3.
Great, thank you.